Meron tayong unboxing dito na Transformers. Pero ako pala, kikilala lang ako si Sian at Pilipino ako. So, ito yung mga unboxing natin, guys. Ito Transformers. Baka hindi nyo ako maintindihan, ha? Kasi Pilipino ako eh. Kasi I'm Filipino. But I can speak English too. Because I worry that you don't understand me very well. And this is the... Ito guys, yun na. Ito guys. Box natin. Ayan na siya guys, oh. Ayan na siya. Ayan siya guys. Ayan na siya. Wait lang. Box natin yung isang pang-dalawa. Yung pang-dalawa. Ito. Ito naman guys yung pang-dalawa. Tara, buksan natin. Ito guys yun. Transform ko lang. Wait lang. Complicated kasi ito eh. Guys, minsan mahirap to eh. Sometimes it's hard to transform this. Because it's very hard. So this is the final form. Is it good? Maganda ba guys? Balik natin sa normal. At ito naman yung isa. Yung isa naman. This other one XR. Because I don't know what language you are. Look here. Wait a second. Wait. Guys, I was in a struggle to transform this, but this is the final form. Do you like it, guys? So that's we're gonna just do the game. We're just going to do that today. So I hope you enjoy this video, but it's kind of too long. So enjoy.